how to charge another device using wireless power sharing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now before you can use this feature, you need to turn it on. To do so, first swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, scroll down, then tap on battery, then scroll down and tap on wireless power sharing. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then at the back of the phone here with another device, all you have to do is simply touch each other like this. And this will allow the phone to start charging. So you can see here the phone at the moment is now charging. And so check your notification to see how the phone is charging. So if I swipe down, I can see that it says sharing your phone's power. The connected device is being charged. So you can charge your another mobile device. You can charge your watch, your Galaxy watch. You can watch anything that needs power wirelessly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.